Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot, and I'm the Bluebeam Professional Services Director with U Chapter 2. And I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services, empowering you to get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So this one is a concrete example, and what I've done is I've got all my isolated footings under my columns here. I've got piers, I've got strip footings, continuous footings, I've got slabs in here. And for this customer, I've got all the different common slabs that they have. These are all imperial, as you can see. And then my spreadsheet over here is linked to show me all of my quantities. And then there's all kinds of fun things that you can do, like I said, with formulas. So let's say I add another 5-inch slab over here. You're going to see in row 4 on the spreadsheet, I've got my slabs, and it's going to update my cubic yards of concrete. So again, those are red. They're coming in from Bluebeam, so I don't want anybody to edit those. But the ones I can edit, I usually mark those in green. So a typical truck might hold 9 yards, or I might have a front load that has 11 yards, and that will dictate over here how many trucks that I have. So you can see that number change. Just having some fun with it. And then the price is changing every day. If I update the price for per yard, put that in here, it's going to change all the bid information and my total down here, and so on and so forth. So the goal here is to just pick the correct tools, color in the plans, and have all your quantities show up in the spreadsheet with your waste factors, any sort of assemblies that you can build into there, so on and so forth. Where do you start with your estimating and your quantity links? I start every custom implementation with the same questions. Do you have an existing spreadsheet filled with formulas and existing data? Do your colored highlighters mean something specific in your workflows? Do you have older, more experienced team members that we can learn from and how they approach their projects, and hopefully build some of that into our spreadsheet and our markups? Once you have all your custom markup tools created and your spreadsheet ready to go, link to a new drawing. No need to remap each cell, just the source files. Then I would recommend creating a template project folder, subfolders structure to keep all the documents standardized in location as well. Create folders for drawings, spreadsheets, RFIs, site photos, and revisions. This way, on the next project, you simply update the source file to the new drawing folder and start your markups. All right, that's what I have to share today regarding Quantity Link. I hope you learned a few things and can apply them to your work immediately to help generate your material quantities. If you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to the team at Brighter Graphics or myself. We'd be happy to help you out with that.